Why buy our lightning no-knee stainless steel cookware over all the other options out there? 1. We're Australian made. We're the only real production cookware manufacturer in Australia. Everything else is imported and mostly from offshore sweatshops. 2. We're affordable and accessible. This is a try me or entry point pan of ours that allows more families to experience the world-leading performance of Solidteknics Australian-made healthy cookware. Half the price of many far inferior toxic and disposable imports that might last 2 years, if you're careful. 3. Lighter and easier to use. Made from 2mm non-nickel stainless steel versus 3mm for our original range, making it 30% lighter for faster heating and easier manoeuvrability in the kitchen. If you want real wrought cookware that will last for generations, but our original 3 or 4mm cookware is just too heavy for your hands and wrists and arms, then our 2mm no-knee lightning is for you. Number 4, health. A safe and totally non-toxic choice for families. No nasty non-stick coatings here and no heavy metals. 5. Durability. Built to last for many generations because it's wrought from one single piece of malleable stainless steel that will never crack. And the only way to destroy it is to physically wear through the base. And that will no doubt take hundreds of years. This is a true buy once and buy well investment.